In this final step, we were able to design an aerodynamic and resistant body. Our design used as a reference the Strati car, modifying it to reduce the weight and to accomplish the parameters of the MakerBot 3D printer.
To help us with the body of the car, we decided that it's a good idea to reassemble the Apex car. Taking into reference what Local Motors did with the Strati car, we decided to design the body and the chassis all together. Combining these two parts saved us the need from including some of the covers that the Apex car originally had.
In order to have the correct dimensions, we had to assemble the components of the Apex car to start working on the design in Creo Parametric.
For the design of our Apex car body, we were able to modify the original design into a more aerodynamic yet resistant version of it. This was a really extensive process as we faced some restrictions. First of all, we had to come up with a way of designing the chassis and body of the car as one piece. This was done using the Strati's design as a reference. In addition to that restriction, we had to keep in mind that the design had to be 3D printed. These added some major parameters that needed to be met.
We approached this design to be kind of an eggshell, with the body on top, the chassis on the bottom, and leaving space in the middle for the wheels and other components. Combining both the body and the chassis makes it more easier to design, to print, and to include in the Apex car, since unnecessary pieces are eliminated. For the completion of this design, we needed to have the assembly of the chassis with the wheels separately from the body of the car. Then we assembled them together, leaving enough space for the electric components.
This is our model. The shape allows to be easily printed. This design doesn't require much material. Also, components are being removed from the bottom to remove material. And the top, we have the cavity where a seat is located. Also, a lot of material is being removed from there. Even it looks simpler, it is not. It resembles a hot rod.